Hi guys! So I know this is a bit early, but for me it's not also because my birthday is coming up and why not start this off with specifically my version of my wish list, whether it's birthday, it's Christmas, and a couple of these are actually affordable that I really like and you guys might like it too, and I'll be linking all of the items in the description box down below. The first is an obsession of mine right now. I don't know why, but I just I wanted to check out other decors, other stuff. I love Halloween. I love the fall season. Fall is my favorite season, even if we don't celebrate it here in the tropical countries. But I love the decor, the coziness of it all. I like it so much that I want a lot of fall decors, mainly that. But right now, I've been obsessed with pumpkin mugs. I love pumpkin. I've been dreaming of having like a Birkin bag in orange because it'd be like a little pumpkin for me. That would be so cute, and I would love that. It's like a Birkin 30 would be best. And if ever I'm gonna have a small one, a mini Kelly in orange, that would be nice too. But a Birkin 30 first because it would be like a cute, like a pumpkin bag or something like that. But yeah, I've been obsessed with pumpkin mugs. I love those different shapes of pumpkin mugs, and I've been searching a lot in Shopee. I have a few that I'll link down below because all of them are so cute and I've seen the reviews already, so I'm sure they're good reviews. Now, aside from pumpkin mugs, I also like one more specific mug, and it's also Halloween themed. And this one is much more evident to be Halloween, which is actually a ghost mug. Yes, it's still a mug. I've been obsessed with mugs, but specifically, I've been obsessed with specific design of mugs and how they look like, or a season that I really like, which is right now. I really love fall, and this is the first time I've been thinking of I want something that I enjoy while drinking. And I have really nice cat mugs. But I really would like a pumpkin mug and a ghost mug. I have two options down below that I'll link there, and they're super cute. One of the ghost mugs that I saw is actually has a little pumpkin. He's holding a little pumpkin and he's like a shock face. So it's super cute. That's why I kind of really like it. And my birthday is October. So being Halloween theme is like the perfect thing for me to like really resonate with me. And I like horror movies. I enjoy watching horror. That's why I kind of like enjoy those kind of things, enjoy kind of scary stuff or scary theme. And speaking of scary theme, dark, gothy, not really like super gothy, I love Harry Potter. That's another movie I love. I love like the whole vintage, old world, Renaissance, those kind of themes. That's why I like the books that I love is I read Harry Potter, I love Dan Brown, Inferno, I love like the whole old world stories. I love Lord of the Rings, Hobbit, you name it. That's why I want also like those little vintage lamps. Like they're old vintage. I'll show like photos of them. They're super cute, and I would love that, like it's so old looking, and they're electric. I mean they're put batteries in them, and then you just switch it on if you want to use it. And aside from the electric lamp, I like those like melted candle that is also electric or also like with a battery. They're super nice as decor. I've been loving decor or decorating the house on a specific theme or season. As you can see here, my plant that's wilting away. So those kind of vintage looking details and designs, not too big, like small enough. I would love that. And aside from those kind of decors, I would love a plant, like a faux plant but taller. I would love that. That's like super nice to add to my background. I also like I said before, I like cozy stuff. So I would like to make the place more cozy or cozier, and they make me so happy. So speaking of mugs and like those kind of containers, I've been searching because me and my friends have like started the whole trying some wine, trying some champagne, but it kind of stopped quickly. And when we bought like this wine or champagne, when we remove the cork, we can put it back. So you had to finish the whole bottle. And I don't want that. I don't want that to even happen. That's why I've been searching like those kind of wine or whiskey glass bottles that has like a cork in it, but it's also glass. So you can literally just put the wine there, so it could still last. And then just put ice in your drink, and then you can have like a little bit of drink at night after work, just relaxing, lounging. This is all about cozy stuff. Now I've had so many blankets already and pillows, so that's not included in my kind of decor additions or wish list. But there is a wish list that is part of the decor or part of the background I want to improve on, which is furniture or specifically shelves. And although these are affordable items, this there are two options that I have on shelves. I found like this bookshelf that's super nice. I saw the reviews. The finish of the one that I prefer is good. The height is also great, and I'm not gonna use it as a bookshelf. As you guys know, I love bags. As you can see, two of my babies are here with me, and I've been wanting something. I've been missing like a nice background for like a shelf with some of my bags, some of my favorite bags. So I'm not thinking of like a big shelf, although one of it is a big shelf, but affordable one is like a three-tier shelf. My sister-in-law actually gifted to me 2 Christmas ago, and it was like it's the best thing. It's still here. I love it as a decor. Right now, board games are on it, and I would really like to add a bit more, like a few of the three bags that I really, really like wearing on that week. So literally decor, literally something to improve the aesthetic, because I've been obsessed with more on aesthetic. And when I film something, I want the where I'm filming is to be aesthetic, to be relaxing. So as you know, I mentioned that I like shelves that I would display my bags. But like I said, I've been recently collecting my bags already, and my bags need something for it to last longer, which is bag organizers. Yes, that's why it's part of my wish list, and it's somehow affordable. Because if you get one, especially where I'm buying my bag organizers, because I have one a piece for the recent bags that I have, which is in Evertoner. That shop has almost all the bags, or if not almost all the bags that has organizers that you need organizers for. That's like your go-to shop already for organizers, and their organizers are great. They're sturdy, they're thick, they really stand the test of time. Because I had a Pew leather bag before, and the organizer there was also from Evertoner, because that's the only one that fits right. And I shifted it here to this, to my baby. I have a bag organizer there, and this is from Evertoner. This is a great bag organizer because it stays sturdy here. As you can see, here's the bag organizer. I just have the dust bag with the wrap of the strap of this bag, and then here is the bag organizer. It's super efficient to use. You just put all your stuff, then put it back in the bag, and it stays protected there. And I will honestly tell you, all of my bag organizers are super great and they fit well in the bags. The only thing I want to correct in the sizing of the bag organizers is I got a Kelly 28, and the 25 fits better on the Kelly 28 than the Kelly 28 specified bag. The Kelly 28 that I got, that as a bag organizer for a Kelly 28, became on one of my, which is my Birkin 25. It fits there. So I would suggest to try to adjust on the sizing, because the thickness or the sizing is not always as accurate. But you would understand that if a bag organizer is that thick, you would really lose a few inches or centimeters that's going to fit inside the bag. Because if it's a size 25, then at least a size 22 size of a bag organizer or size 23 would fit in your bag on your size 25 very well. And they also have for Fendi, the Fendi baguette, they have the Chanel flap, they even have for a Dior, a Lady Dior, which is, I'm so happy because you could just go to one shop. And this is not sponsored, by the way. That's just my go-to when it comes to bag organizers. So I'm still a girl, and one of my wish lists is, or a wish list of mine that's still natural, but I'm recommending items that I've tried once in there, and so far that piece has been great. Is I like jewelries, but I like affordable jewelries that last the test of time or that last me longer and it's not hard to maintain. And that's me to a T. I love accessories that are stainless, that are gold plated. I'm happy with that already. These are not real pearls. And did you know that these earrings, you could change it from a pearl hoop earring to just a hoop earring? You just remove the pearl accessory on it. I would like that. I would be happy to get some white jewelry or white gold jewelry that are stainless. It's risky to commute with like you're blinged out. And there were a couple of times already that even my stainless jewelries got stolen because they thought they were gold. That's how much it elevates you, even if it's not gonna put a hole in your wallet because they're affordable jewelry. And I have a few links of accessories that I really, really like. I like ones that are interesting, that has like that it's dainty but still there's a twist to that accessory. And the final one, this one is for my practicality sake, plus my hubby lost, or he actually forgot it in a restaurant, the tumbler that we were bringing. That's like just a smaller tumbler. I think that's like 600 ml. And yeah, we forgot it in the restaurant, and then we couldn't get it back anymore because we were already in a car. We were so far away already. And yeah, I want a smaller tumbler again. And I saw this super cute one in Surplus. Surplus has new designs right now. And I don't know if I took a picture of that tumbler, but hopefully I did because I really, really like the tumbler. It's super cute. Although part of what my hubby told me with regarding to the no buy list is removing tumbler from the list. So it depends because I've been coming back to like walking more on the day. I like to have water with me all the time, and just the smaller one. So that one is like super cute, super perfect. It's muted. There's not too much going on in it. There's like branches without leaves on it. It's so nice. And there's so many new designs there in Surplus that if you want to get something or give someone quickly that's there already, you don't need to wait for delivery, then get it in Surplus. There's so many affordable items. This is also not sponsored again. It's just there's so many good tumblers there. There's also good throw blankets, like I said, with decor. There's also so many nice shirts for men. I would recommend men's section in Surplus is the best. I think it's better than the ones that they offer in women. The quality of the men's clothes are super nice, even their jackets, which I say to check it out. And the final one, this final two actually is not affordable. They're a bit more expensive, or they're a bit at the one more than 1,000. And one of it, it's just something I really like because it's super nice and cute. I have this like new earbuds that I really, really like, and it's been in my cart for a couple of, I think if not the whole year. It's like this little retro looking earbuds, and they're so nice, and the compact of it is also nice, and it's smaller than my earbuds. The color combination, it's super nice. I mean, it's not bad to like something that's nice just for a wish list. So that one I really want to try it also if it's really good quality and worth the price. But so far the reviews are good, the reviews are great, and there's like two options of the retro designs there that I think I would enjoy. So it depends on what would be like a nicer, but both of them are super nice and super cute. And then the last one, I said I'm not gonna buy any sneakers, which I've achieved. I never bought sneakers for myself this year. But I did get some for my hubby. But there's only one sneakers I've been like wanting this year, and it's actually the Camel Sneakers that's in yellow and black combination. I'll show you a photo. It's such a nice color, but the design of it, it's like it screams me. I would really like styling it. I would enjoy styling it because it's like chill, but there's something interesting in its design. That's why it's like part of the wish list. So those are like the two that are like pricey, because they are pricey. And when it comes to bags, I would love the Birkin 30 in gold hardware. I would really love that. But for now, I have something that I already got for myself as a birthday gift. and it's so nice. I'm so excited. I already unboxed it, so forgive me for that. But it's in a video that I'm gonna show you because my birthday is just up close. So that one I already unboxed, and I'm super excited to share it to you guys. You are going to flip because that is such a gorgeous bag. So yeah, this is my wish list. I know it's been lengthy. If you probably hear, I think you can hear my dogs barking because there's someone working in the internet because it's fluctuating. So I'm just trying to balance that out. But aside from that, I hope you guys like this video. Check out the link of all the in the description of all the probable gift stuff that I think you would like. Also, since December is coming, Christmas is coming, it'll be also good gift ideas for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!